National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Huron County in north-central Ohio, Ottawa County in northwestern Ohio, eastern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, Erie County in north-central Ohio, eastern Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Port Clinton to near Clyde to Tiffin, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sandusky, Tiffin, Norwalk, Fremont, Western Vermilion, Port Clinton, Kelly's Island, Put-in Bay, Bellevue, Clyde, Green Springs, Northern Milan, Wakeman, Castalia, Ballville, Catawba Island, Monroeville, Marblehead, and Berlin Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.